Alright, as into the video goes on, before I start talking about the fan, I'm getting close to having my channel to be 3 years old now. So, wait, anyways, for 3 years on YouTube, I'll be doing something special. So what you're looking at here is my 42-inch Hungary vector relief in brushed nickel with graphite triangle on like it and silver triangles on in the motor. So I got this fan back in 2018, like last year. So they said that they offered me $5 for this, but my parents didn't want me to buy it $5, so the next day I just got it, which I got. It was dirty, and it had a receiver. I'm just going to show it. Oh, and also, there's the down one. I will show it. And that's supposed to come with the fan, so I did not offer anything on the fan. So, it is not meant to be flush mounted because of the design with the blades on, but I actually used 3 screws from the SMC Kensington canopy. But hey, that's alright. My screws ripped. So when I first got 2 light bulbs burned out, and I replaced one, but one still burned out. So I'll show you the close-ups of it. It has the triangles. It has graphite blades reversible to silver. And you may notice the blade on it has a balancing kit, which is this blade. So you can see the logo. 2. That's the fan and light. Okay, you can see the fan. There's the logo. It's upside down at the moment, so here. Now here's the demonstration. Starting with the light. So 2 lights go on because apparently one light bulb. For some reason the one in the front is brighter, so I don't know why. Or maybe the other one, I don't know what. Here is low. Okay, so what I think this is, that it's not the best hard release fan, since this was made the Terra in 2010. Mine is from February 2005. And it's made by Westinghouse, which was formerly Encon. So, yeah. By the way, I'm not going to show the bottom since I don't want to hit my phone with it. Here's the light. Here's medium. gotta move the chain. So. Okay, so now for high speed. So, one thing I forgot to mention, it didn't come remote, but that's okay. I can just use the pull chains on it. I was trying to go save the Galileo next, but unfortunately it was gone. So, like, literally the day after I went to the house, when the contractor took it down, like the last day. Not that good, Aaron. Well, it's not that good. It's a childhood fan, but I'm keeping it, so I don't care what you guys say, and I don't give a crap about that. If y'all use hate comments, I can just keep them approval only. Alright, so now here's again. So, yeah, sorry if you guys can't see. It's really hard to see it with the light on. By the way, the spotlight is adjustable, but I'll show it at the end. And the round noise goes up to high speed when I flush mount it. So we just take a few moments to spin down. Okay. I don't want to fiddle around with the camera, which is actually my LG Expression Plus phone. I got up like 5:53 in order to start this remake video. I have another light here, so we'll just watch spin down. And so that's what I'm now doing it for now on. And I'm doing standard videos, which are not going to be live videos. Okay, I actually got the other light on, but I might show it later. Right now I don't have time to do it right now, so yeah. Okay, now to reverse the fan. Oh, by the way, you can see the reverse switch. And here is the fan on low and reverse this time. One note about this is that's actually my medium high. Well, my mom's at work, so this is the best thing I can do is to do a video of the ceiling fans in my garage. This is the only spot I could do. I'd done that in the bedroom at my dad's room in my house back around 2015 in December, but you never saw the video since I didn't join until April 2016. Whatever, I'm gonna do it like this way for now. I kind of messed up for a bit, as for like some reason I keep messing up. Like, dang it! Like, what the heck? Am I messing up with some crap? here's medium. Okay, crap. Is that medium? Actually, let me restart this. Sorry, I kept messing up the video. Remake should have been done. But it's not the best remake I could ever do. Lights off. Okay, for high speed, I'm gonna do it this way. I don't know, honestly, why on reverse has no rattling noise. Okay, but slightly, a little rolling downdraft. I don't understand why it does. So, I don't have time for startup sound, so I might show it a separate video, since I'm trying to upload this. Shoot this light off. Now to shut the fan off and start spin down. Crap, should have done the medium and low off. We'll reverse it back to. Also, I may leave the light on for reverse. That's what I'll do. What I don't do, I usually leave the lights off in downdraft, and then I usually leave the lights on in updraft. And I don't do that, so. Oh, also, the shop light and this light are connected to the plug, since I shut it off for a moment. I'll see. So if I can actually fit if it's, I'm gonna try to get it under 50 minutes. If it's not under 50 minutes, then I'll split the video. Usually the spin down does not take that long for this. So, yeah. Okay, so now I'll shut the light off, and they're adjustable. Dang, it's like, oh, god dang, they're like bleed hot. So they are adjustable. So yeah, and also the light is here for a reason. So I think it's about time to do startup this time. I gotta be careful, so. Okay. So, it actually fit the video. This dark sound actually fits the video. So that's all we got today on the 42-inch Harvard Vector Elite remake. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next video.